Hercules Hob is sleek's answer to the cooking demand of big Indian joint families. It has 5 brass burners, 1 triple ring, 1 mini triple ring, 1 small ring burner and 2 double ring burners. The triple ring burners can be used for heavy cooking such as deep frying, boiling, etc. The double ring burners can be used for moderate to light cooking like making dal, rotis, cooking rice, etc. The small ring burner can be used for low flame cooking like making parathas. The black toughened glass base is heat resistant to 200 degrees Celsius, which provides you with not only a sleek look but a durable base as well. The cast iron supports provide you with the perfect stability and support that you require for cooking, ensuring that you have a great cooking experience. Let's recap the USPs of Hercules. Brass burners, auto ignition, toughened glass, heat resistant to 200 degrees Celsius, cast iron supports.